Welcome, my friends. In this video, we are diving into the mystical world of numerology and exploring the hidden meanings behind exact hours. Have you ever glanced at the clock and noticed repeating numbers? These moments might be more than just coincidence, they could be powerful messages from your guardian angel or the universe. Stay tuned as we unravel the spiritual significance of these exact times and discover how they can guide and inspire your life. This phenomenon could be a message from your guardian angel or guide. Spiritual numerology involves the interpretation of numerical symbols that connect the divine, sacred, and human realms. These numerical patterns act as a bridge between the spiritual and physical worlds, allowing communication with higher forces. What is the significance of exact hours? One form of these messages, often overlooked, occurs during exact hours, commonly referred to as on the hour. These instances, denoted by whole numbers without minutes, hold unique meanings in spiritual numerology. Whether displayed digitally or on analog clocks, like the old-fashioned wall clocks with hands, each exact hour conveys a specific message. According to spiritual and Kabbalistic numerology, numbers have the power to indicate trends, offer good luck, and even provide answers. The interpretation of these numbers depends on understanding their concepts, impressions, and geometric representations. The Kabbalah, an ancient wisdom studied by various cultures, offers insight into the mystical significance of numbers. Now, let's see how to decipher the messages of the exact hours. Midnight is the magical hour. If you see midnight on the clock, consider making a wish. This time is often associated with the magic hour or the witching hour, when it is believed that wishes are more likely to come true. Additionally, this hour may indicate that someone is constantly thinking about you. Protect yourself, connect with your guardian angel, and pay attention to the signs around you. 1 o'clock, embrace change, because seeing 1 o'clock signals an imminent significant change in your life. The number 1 represents divine will and action, suggesting that new opportunities and outcomes are on the horizon. It also signifies leaving the past behind and starting anew, urging you to forgive and let go to facilitate personal growth. 2 o'clock, anticipate prosperity. Spotting 2 o'clock means that prosperity is imminent. Positive events are on the horizon, which may manifest through people who support and help improve the trajectory of your life. However, remember the dual nature of the number 2, which encourages empathy and considering different perspectives during conflicts. Observing 3 o'clock indicates that blessings are coming into your life. This time is associated with the manifestation of the sacred, symbolized by the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, or the aspects of light, life, and love. It is an opportune moment to embark on special projects that hold significance for you. 4 o'clock, peace and stability. Encountering 4 o'clock brings a message of peace. Even if your current circumstances seem unclear, stability is on the horizon. This moment encourages you to take the next step in relationships and make decisions about matters of the heart with wisdom and careful consideration. 5 o'clock, focus on well-being. At 5 o'clock, prioritize your physical and emotional well-being. This time is associated with the 5 elements: earth, fire, air, water, and spirit, and underscores the need for self-care and connection with your inner self. Engage in nurturing activities and spiritual practices to maintain balance. Spotting 6 o'clock emphasizes the balance between spirituality and materiality. The number 6, represented by the Star of David, suggests harmonizing these aspects of life. Whether you are overly focused on the physical or the spiritual, seek balance for a complete existence. Seeing 7 o'clock signifies abundant blessings. This time is associated with divine power and perfection, indicating upcoming material and spiritual abundance. It is also a call to expand your consciousness and reconnect with your spiritual essence, fostering a deeper connection with your guardian angel or spiritual guide. Encountering 8 o'clock indicates future signs from the universe. This time prompts heightened awareness of your surroundings and signals related to an important theme in your life. Additionally, past connections may resurface to help you overcome current challenges. At 9 o'clock, embrace your creative potential and balance your life. This moment encourages you to engage in creative projects and endeavors, whether artistic or business related. The number 9 symbolizes creation and enlightenment, urging you to unite abstract ideas with practical actions. Observing 10 o'clock indicates the closure of a significant cycle. The number 10 represents completion and marks the end of a chapter in your life. This moment invites you to trust your intuition and make decisions considering both your spiritual and practical aspects. Detecting 11 o'clock suggests embracing imperfection and putting your ideas into practice. This moment highlights the importance of learning through experience and leaving room for mistakes. It also encourages you to share your idealism to improve your community and the world. Finding 12 o'clock brings a message of achievements and new beginnings. This time signifies a peak moment of light and realization, making it an opportune period to start new activities or adopt healthier habits in your daily routine. Seeing 13 o'clock signifies transformation and release. This hour indicates that an area of your life is undergoing disruption, urging you to balance and reintegrate what has been lost. Take the opportunity to let go of what no longer serves you and embark on a journey of rebirth. If you see 14 o'clock, it's a reminder to believe in your abilities and potential. This hour carries a message from your guardian angel, encouraging you to have confidence in your journey. Additionally, it signifies the law of return, where actions and intentions come back to you with greater force. Embrace the messages whenever you encounter these specific times on the clock. Consider the deeper meanings they carry. Your guardian angel may be trying to communicate with you, offering guidance, blessings, and insights. Embrace these messages, reflect on their significance, and use them to enhance your spiritual path and personal growth. Blessed be. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.